Hi, my name is Mary Rooney. I'm from Michigan City, Indiana. And another one of my hobbies, other than woodworking, is scrapbooking. So I've been coming to Marc since 2007. And every time I take a class, I try to take lots of pictures and then I scrapbook the experience. And at a class that I took in April, I told Marc about my scrapbook and he said, I'd love to see it. I said, absolutely. I knew I was coming to this class. So I brought it in and he took it and was absolutely amazed at all of the history that's in here, and the people that are no longer with us are in here because this is a book of memories, mostly happy memories. This book represents my journey, learning all the different aspects of woodworking that I've learned here at Marc. There's turning, there's carving, there's marquetry, there's intarsia, there's wood burning, there will be leather work in here as soon as I get home and get the pages scrapbooked. But it's just been a wonderful journey to come to Marc's and learn everything, and it's just a great place to come. And my book is proof of that.